Hi, today we're going to be going over how to set up the marker pack for your Edge Plus. Now the marker pack is used for physical whiteboard capture. It comes with the Edge Plus Complete package, but you could also order it as a separate accessory. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to make sure that the Edge Plus sensor is properly connected to your computer. For detailed instructions, you're going to want to go to our website, www.e-beam.com, and select the eBeam videos section under the support menu. So once you're ensured that the sensor is connected to your computer properly, we need to place the sensor on the whiteboard area. Ideal placement is on the left or right side of the whiteboard. Now keep in mind, you want to keep a 2-inch gap in between the sensor and your capture area. Now most whiteboards are magnetic, so the sensor should stay up on its own. But if it's not, or if it's not strong enough, you're going to want to use one of the brackets that's included in the package. Now one of the benefits of the brackets is that the sensor will be placed in the same spot each time, therefore only requiring you to calibrate it once. So after your sensor is placed on the whiteboard, we're going to want to load the dry erase marker into the sleeve. Now you could use just about any standard dry erase marker like this Expo marker, but we found that the most accurate versions are the bullet tip types. Now the marker pack comes with 4 different colors: the standard black, red, green, and blue. Now what you're going to want to do is match up the color of the marker to the color of the bands around the sleeves. So to insert the marker into the sleeve, press the button on the gray end of the sleeve and open up the back. And then slide the marker in. To replace the marker, press the button, open up, and slide the marker out. Now you're going to want to make sure that the cap is off of the sleeve or the marker will have trouble coming out. So before we start capturing our whiteboard writing, we're going to want to make sure that the sleeves are charged. Now the marker pack comes with a multi-charge cradle that charges all 4 sleeves and the sensor at once. Now to charge using the multi-charge cradle, we're going to want to use one of the USB cables, plug it into the adapter, and then into the wall, and then plug the small end into the back of the multi-charge cradle. Insert the sleeves, back end first, into the slots. Now the sleeves and the multi-charge cradle are magnetic, so everything should self-align. So after the sensor is placed and fully charged, we'll want to calibrate by defining the capture area. Now this is done in the eBeam scrapbook application. So what you're going to want to do is open the application, click on the whiteboard menu option, and then on the calibrate capture area option. Instructions will appear on the screen. Select the sensor's position in the application. After selecting the sensor position, use the loaded marker sleeve and tap the locations that correspond to the on-screen instructions. Once your calibration is completed, all of your whiteboard writing will be captured. You could also erase your whiteboard writing by either using the eraser cap or the large eraser. To use the eraser cap, you want to make sure that the cap is placed over the marker end, and then all you have to do is start erasing. So to erase large areas, we're going to want to use the large eraser. Now the large eraser requires one single AA battery. To install the battery, slide the lid off the top of the handle and insert the battery matching the plus and minus signs. Once the battery's in, you can go ahead and use the large eraser to erase. So now you're ready to go. Anyone can be connected to your whiteboard writing no matter where they are.